Today new topic is use of nutraceutical and prevention of disease. Nutraceutical are derivative from combination of world nutrient and pharmaceutical. That means study of pharmaceutical nutrient. Food are elements of food often from plant animal origin with significant medical and health benefits. Fortified dairy products like milk and citrus fruit like orange juice. Sources of nutraceutical fluid. There are several types of sources including a nutraceutical source like this images show dietary fiber, antioxidant, spice, herbs, polyphenol, prebiotic and prebiotic. And these are dietary fiber food cannot be completely broken down by human digestive enzyme. Example: whole wheat flour, wheat grain, nuts, beans, and vegetables such as cauliflower, green beans, and potato, and good source of insoluble fiber. Antioxidant. These are defined as a fight against oxidant molecules that fight free radical in your body. Examples are vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, and other related carotenes like minerals, selenium, and magnesium. Other source is spices. Spices is a substance from plant used especially in flavor in food cinemas. Like example is black pepper, curls, cardamom seed, cardamom, cinnamon seed, calabash. And second is herbs. Herbs is a plant source and the tender stem is called herbs. His example is banana plant in world largest herbs presenting leucine, alpha carotene and beta carotene. Some examples like aloe vera, clove, basil, agrimanis, lemon, etc. Example is herbs. And prebiotics. These are the prebiotics improving gut microbial barrier and modulate microflora and hence help in prevention of inflammatory bowel disease. Like example is onion, bananas, eggs, and garlic, spicy beans, as chocolate, etc. And probiotic means this is healthy gut microbiomes boost your overall immunity, reduce inflammation, health, and keep a bowel regulatory. Example is a very popular example is meat including probiotic and egg. So different diseases including cardiovascular disease, oxidative disease, allergens disease, arthritis disease, cancer disease, inflammatory disease, gastrointestinal disease. First, I am described to cardiovascular disease. This disease disorder heart and blood vessels, including coronary heart diseases, cardiovascular diseases, rheumatic heart disease, etc. Narrowing of blood vessels in your heart, other organs, sort out your body health and body vessels problem present in birth, regular heart rhythms and chest pain, etc. And there is a get enough quality sleep, reduce stress, stop smoking, limit of consumption alcohol. This is the uh, progression of this disease. And oxidative state. This is figure showing the oxidative state. In this state, nuclear state suffering from a different influence in glycogen storage, influence insulin signals, reduce inflammation, and lung stability, microplasmosis. These are problems showing in this state, oxidative state, and this state is mainly the production of reactive oxygen species and antioxidants defense in your human body, and problems showing that is fatigue, memory of brain, loss, muscles, joint pain, viscous, gray hairs, disease, eyesight, HF, sensitivity to noise. Arthritis. This is figure showing arthritis in human beings like joint pains, stiffness, fatigue, silver and gray scaly patch on your skin, discoloration, redness, etc. This swelling and joint inflammation is a place where two bones meet, such as embryo and names, and pain problems like plain swelling, stiffness, and one of multiple joints. This problem and pills and NSAIDs are most effective oral medicines for OA. They include ibuprofens, martins, neflons, and dilofrenins. There are several medicines prevent this diseases. And osteoporosis, this figure showing osteoporosis is in human beings and nutrical for other agents like calcium, magnesium, weak in human beings. So showing this diseases. This is mainly defined as a bone disease that develops when a bone mineral density and bone mass disease are when structure and strength of bone change. Losing height in one of the most common signs of spleen mites is trickling, unaccepted back and neck pains, poor posture, shortness, breath, etc. Allergic conditions. Allergic conditions like symptoms related to cough, redness, edema, itching, runny nose, and sneezing, and race, lacrimation, environment factors, getting from microorganisms, host factors, and heredity, age-related problems, so and sex-related, and risk factors like passive smoking, population, and infection. These allergens are hypersensitivity, immune reaction to substance than normal uh, harmless or could not cause a immune response in most people. They few allergens, hives, asthma, and food allergens. These problems and allergens are most common chronic disease related problems. And these symptoms allergens get only mild to moderate symptoms, but bad case can lead anaphylaxis. Gastrointestinal disease. This is related problem showing in the first is health humongous fragrance. These are balanced microbe composition results in symbiosis between the resident microorganisms and regulation of immune response. And second, unhealthy guts. This gas disruption and aggressive of microbiota and use of antibiotics could be lead diabetes, deregulation of immune response. And third is dibiosis. Our SOS response increasing pathogenic loss of place diversity increasing reaction. And some others high can define the cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease are like affected to gastrointestinal from mouth to anus, including functional structures disease, example GERD and diarrhea, color rectal cancer, and these are problems showing like stomach problem, small intestines, large intestine rupture, and accessory organs to digestive liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These are organs showing in these problems, gastrointestinal disease, and some chronic constipation on diarrhea, abnormal pains, nausea, and vomiting, bleeding, and bloating. And some example, cumin is a very famous medicine to use to disprevent in these diseases. And these are curcumin means haldi. This is a very versatile nutraceutical medicine using body. They are prevent the inhibition of growth of Helicobacter pylori strains in vitro that were isolated from infection patients suffering from GI diseases. Information. How information affect in body. These are related to brain, thyroid, cardiovascular, lungs, muscle, GI tear, matter of GI index, bones, kidneys, skins, livers, and some part of biological response of body issues to harmful stimuli such as pathogenic damage cell and alien. 5 cardinal signs: heat, bend, redness, swelling, and loss of functions. Hereby tumor and function. Yeah. And cancer-related problem is these of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with hypotension and invalid space other parts of body. Fatties and skin change such as urinary darkening, redness of skin, scope of birth, hair, charge, ejection mold, changes in blood, bladder habits, persistence, cough and tugging, bleeding, difficulty, swelling. If prevented these precautions like including stop smoking, avoid excessive sun exposure, eat a healthy diet, exercise most day of week, maintain a healthy weight, and not eating non-veg food. This is optimal nutraceuticals with a proper intake of nutraceuticals in a maintenance and health to combat against acute chronic disease like CVD and cancer disease. CVD means cardiovascular disease atherosclerosis due to a nutraceutical disorder. We will promote optimum health, longevity, and quality of life. Nutraceuticals such as antioxidant, omega fatty acid, and phytochemicals has been associated with reduced risks of chronic diseases including cardiovascular, diabetes, certain cancer, and related to muscular disorder. These are the reasons, and thanks for watching this channel.